A very good day, children. Now, today in our class, we have discussed all this work one by one. Okay. Now, it is your classwork. You will do it in your copy. Okay. You will write the heading gender. Okay. You will write gender of nouns. Then you will write number A. You will copy this heading. Fill in the blanks with suitable masculine or feminine nouns. Then you will write number 1, then leave one line 2, leave one line 3, leave one line 4. That way you will do. Okay. Now, what is the meaning? Here the words are given. Okay. Some nouns are given which may be both masculine or feminine gender. You have to give the opposite of those gender. Okay. The first one is count. This is a masculine gender. So the feminine gender of count will be countess. You will write count, then E-double-S, countess. C-O-U-N-T-E-double-S, countess. Okay. This is masculine gender and the feminine gender will be countess. Then you have grandmother. Grandmother is a feminine gender. The masculine gender will be grandfather. This is very easy. You should know the spelling yourself. Lord. Lord is masculine gender and feminine gender will be lady. L-A-D-Y, lady. L-A-D-Y, lady. Gander. Gander belongs to a duck family. Okay, it's a masculine gender. So the feminine gender will be geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. Okay. Master. Master is masculine gender. The feminine gender will be mistress. M-I-S-T-R-E-S-S. M-I-S-T-R-E-S-S. Mistress. Okay. Duck. Duck is feminine gender. The masculine gender will be drake. D-R-A-K-E, drake. D-R-A-K-E, drake. Okay. Then you have cow. Cow is feminine gender and the masculine gender will be bull. The spelling is very easy. You should do it yourself. Lion. Okay. Lion is masculine gender. The feminine gender will be lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness. Okay. Horse. Horse is masculine gender. The feminine gender will be mare. M-A-R-E, mare. M-A-R-E, mare. Okay. Then you have peacock. Peacock is masculine gender. Then the feminine gender will be peahen. I will not tell you the spelling of peahen. Do it yourself. It is very easy. Okay. Now, you will write, instead of C, you will write B. Okay. Here we will do common gender. In the following sentences, underline the nouns that are of common gender. I have explained you what is common gender. Again, I am telling you, common gender shows the noun which may be both boy or a girl. Okay. Now see the first example. My friend is a writer. My friend is a writer. So you will underline friend and you will underline writer. These are both nouns. Yes. Now friend is also common gender. Writer is also common gender. How? Now friend can be both girl and boy. Writer can be also both boy or girl. Right. So you will underline friend and writer. Number 2. The teacher was talking to the students. The teacher was talking to the students. Now teacher is a noun. Students is also noun. And they are both common gender. Teacher can be a male teacher or a female teacher. Right. And students are both girls and boys. Right. So you will underline teacher and student. So this is common gender. You will copy the full sentence. Okay. And just underline it. Now, the bus was full of children. So here common gender is only living things. Okay, you will not underline bus here. You will underline only children. Now children can be both girl or a boy, isn't it? Male or female. So this is common gender. The judge asked the lawyer some questions. Now here common gender is judge and lawyer. A judge can be male, female, yes, and lawyer can be also male or female. In movies you have seen the court scene, isn't it? Where they are saying, my lord, this is wrong, this is right. In movies you have seen it. Okay, so these are both common gender. Now, a crow was cawing outside my window. Now crow is also common gender. Okay. Number 6, there was no driver inside the car. Now driver is a common gender. A driver can be a female driver or a male driver. So you will underline driver. There was a goldfish in the bowl. So goldfish is common gender. You can, okay, it is very difficult to say which is a male fish and a female fish. So you generally write it goldfish. So this is common gender. A person who lies cannot be good. Now person is common gender. Here person may be a male or a female. Okay. The letter was sent by a messenger. Now messenger. Okay, this is common gender. Messenger is the person who will deliver your letter. So it can be both male or a female. Yes. The musician bowed to the audience. Musician is the person who plays music, and audience are the people who sit, okay, and watch the program. So they can be both male or female. So audience is common noun. Musicians can be both boy or girl. So this is also common noun. Okay, so you will underline musician and audience. Okay. Now see here, you will write this as number C. This also we have discussed last day in our live class. So here nothing much to do. You will just write the gender of the following. Now we have done neuter gender, common gender, masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine is very easy, male or female. Do not confuse between common and neuter. Okay. Common noun is only living things. See here, common noun is living things. But neuter gender can be living or non-living. Mostly it is non-living things. Neuter gender is mostly non-living things. But it can be some living things also where we cannot say it is a male or a female, like tree. Tree. Okay, you cannot say this is a male tree or a boy tree or a female tree or a girl tree, right? So that time it becomes neuter gender. So let us not get confused. Now bull. Bull is masculine gender. Ball, it is non-living thing, so neuter gender. So you can remember it like this: N, neuter gender, non-living things. Okay. Baby is common gender. How baby is common gender? Because a baby can be a baby boy also or a baby girl also, right? Uncle is masculine gender. Doctor is a common gender. How? Because a doctor can be both girl or a boy, male or female. Yes. Goose is feminine gender. Okay. Pencil is neuter gender because pencil is non-living thing. You cannot say this is a boy pencil or a girl pencil, right? So this is neuter gender. Then you have lion. Lion is masculine gender. Okay. Then singer is common gender, because a singer can be both male or a female. So this is common gender. Okay. Toy is neuter gender because it is non-living thing, right? Lady is a feminine gender, very easy. Dancer can be both boy or a girl. So this is common gender. Okay. Now do all this work very, very slowly. No need to hurry. Okay, you have 2 days to do it. You can do it. Do it very slowly.